Hey guys, welcome to Math for Kids by a Kid. In the last video, we looked at writing prime factorizations of composite numbers. In this video, we are going to focus on greatest common factor, also known as GCF, and lowest common multiple, or LCM. The greatest common factor of a set of whole numbers is the largest whole number that divides exactly into each number in the set. This is an example. Let's say we are to find the GCF of the numbers 116. We will need to find the prime factorizations for each of these numbers first. Now, if you watched my previous video, you will see how a tree diagram comes in handy when you want to express a composite number as a product of prime factors. I will show you the tree diagram for each of these numbers, but if you already have a good understanding of the tree diagram, feel free to skip this part. So I'll start with 100. So in this case, I'm going to do 2 and 50. 2 is prime, 50 is not. So 2 times 25, we end up with 2 again. 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5. And so our prime factorization of 100 is 2 times 2 times 5 times 5. And now it goes to 16. 2 and 8. 2 times 4. 2 and 2. So the prime factorization of 16 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. To find the GCF of these two numbers, we need to find the product of each prime factor that is common to both prime factorizations. Let me put this in simpler terms. We need to find all the prime factors that are common to both prime factorizations, including repeats, and multiply them together. If we look at both of these prime factorizations, we can see that they both share a 2, but they also share another 2. The number 16 has 4 2's, but 100 has only 2 2's. Now I need to see if they have any other numbers in common. 100 has 2 5's, but 16 does not have any 5's, so we are finished. Now we need to multiply the common prime factors together. So we have 2 2's in common, so that means 2 times 2. That equals 4. So the GCF of 116 is 4. Now I will show you lowest common multiple. Suppose we need to find the LCM of the numbers 3 and 5. We first need to find some multiples of both of these numbers. So I'll start with 3. Multiples of 3 are 3, because 3 times 1, 6, 3 times 2, 9, 3 times 3, and so on. So just keep adding 3. And the list goes on for a while, but I'm just going to show you these few multiples. And now let's do multiples of 5. That's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and the list goes on beyond that. What we need to do now is find a multiple that both of these numbers share, and the lowest in each set. I'll show you what I mean. Let's start with the number 3. So we'll keep going this way of listing the multiples until we come across one that 5 shares. So let's start. So 3 is not a multiple of 5, obviously. Neither is 6, or 9, or 12, but 15 is shared by both of these numbers. So 15 is the lowest common multiple of 3 and 5. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon.